Hi guys, welcome. My name is Darius, and it's my first time me doing a video like this. Normally I post funny videos and stuff like that. So today we're gonna do try not to laugh challenge. So yeah, we're gonna just try not to laugh challenge. We're gonna do that, and yeah. So funny video. Sorry for my spellings. Ew. I don't know which one should I pick. I'm gonna pick that one.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Where do you go? Oh, you gotta go to the canyon.
Oh my god. What the? Are you serious?
Oh. Where do you go? Oh, you gotta go to the canyon.
Oh my god. That's crazy. But I didn't laugh. I was just like, oh my god. So yeah. Let's move on to the next video. What?
Get back. Oh, I hate snakes.
God.
Get back in there. So that's where rainbows come from. Chasing rainbows or making your own.
Oh god. Oh my god.
When we first came up, we saw
That just scared us so much. Oh, he's screaming. Stop screaming. You're distracting people.
Get back in there. Please. Why are you torturing me?
The snake again. Oh my god.
Ship going through the sky. Made of Einstein's.
No way, bro. Did you guys just see that?
Ship going through the sky. Made of Einstein's.
I don't know really what to say, but I'm not laughing. I don't know. But I want just to show myself, but I can't. So I don't know how. So please comment if the comment section is turned off. Well, I'm really sorry because I don't want someone to like comment. But yeah, and I'm gonna do a video about something that someone. No, sorry guys, we're gonna end the video right here, and I'm actually just gonna show myself, and let me tell you how. The camera. 3, 2, 1. Hello. Well, I don't really like me showing myself, but yeah, I just did. So this is me, guys. I hope you like my videos and stuff, because I didn't do videos for a really long time, like really long time on YouTube. And yeah, until I was remaining that YouTube channel, but I deleted it, and now I have a YouTube channel. I hope I don't delete it again by accident. God. And yeah. So that's me, and these are my photos from here. Let me just show you. So this is the photo that I have, and this one, oh god. This one is a photo with a broken screen for the pranks. This one is my favorite singer. Also this one. This one is my photo on TikTok. This one is me on Roblox with my old house. This is me, you. That's my cousin, and yeah. That was funny, but yeah. So right now, guys, if you don't know what the app is called, so you can do videos and stuff, it's called MOBIZEN. So yeah, and this app you can make a lot of screen photos and stuff. It's free. Go and check it out. Just press the X then. And they have a lot of stuff, and you can just write somebody's name. Let's say Spider-Man. One photo with him, and that's him. And as you can see, there's more photos, but it just shows you one photo. But if you just go like that, there's more. That's just app something. A lot of cool photos in here, and you do have a. Oh God, I hate this. And you do have a lot of stuff in there, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because it's kind of boring. But yeah, don't touch my phone, you. I'm not gonna say it. Oh, Baby Yoda's right here. Baby Yoda. That's TikTok. So you can just get TikTok photos in there. It's really cool. You can get cute photos like this. Cute photos that are so cool. So this one when your phone is closed, and this one when your phone is open. That would be cool. Okay guys, I'm ending the video right here. So bye guys. Have a nice day. Bye.